the power for exit from the corner is the engine, but the power for stop the bike to enter in the corner is the brakes. No, if you get more than 300 k's in the straight, you have to have the confidence, no, and the security to can brake before the corner and to stop the bike. So the engine is important, but the brakes are even more important than the engine, no?
I think it must be even more important as the power of the bike, because you have to, with this speed we go, we need to decelerate very fast, and we need to decelerate just for safety of the rider. You go out with the bike, you brake for the first corner and almost nothing happens, just until the brakes get their temperature, and then it's incredible how much brake pressure you can use, and how good the bike is decelerating.
Nissin was established in 1953. We started as a maker of aluminum parts, and now we make aluminum and brake products to contribute to safety and the environment. Nissin also started motorcycle racing activity to improve its technology. Hydraulic brakes are made with the master cylinders that act like water pumps, calipers and brake pads that squeeze the spinning discs, brake hoses that connect calipers with the master cylinders, disc rotors that spin with the wheel. When you grab the lever of master cylinder, you send brake fluid through the brake hose to the caliper. Pistons inside the caliper will be pushed out by the brake fluid and cause brake pads in the caliper squeeze the spinning disc. Friction will generate it between the squeezed brake pads and disc rotor. The typical brake making process is started from aluminum melting, casting, heat treating, machining, surface treatment, assembly of components, quality assurance checking, and shipping. At the Tochigi R&D Center, we research the needs of customers and the market, and we develop the products. We use our own test course to test cars and motorcycles.
But combinate brake. To test on the track was a nice experience with the car, because you really can see that they're developing for the normal street, so that everybody can take a profit out of it to be more safe on the road.
It's very important to have not only to test in the computer or making the material. No, you have to put on, how say it, in normal condition, no, in condition that you can find in the street, and overall on wet is always more critical, no. So I think it's a good idea to can test here with the machine, with the car, and It's very important to know if it really works or not, no?
To verify and improve performance, we send our engineers to learn the latest requirements from riders and to feedback brake conditions data in the R&D division. Our engineers also replace brake products and do maintenance work quickly on the spot at the circuit where anything can happen.